Veterans suffering from toxic burn pit exposure.
Those are areas used on military bases, usually overseas, to burn waste like food, plastic, toxic chemicals, even fuel. For many veterans, burn pits were just a part of life while serving overseas. But now, vets are getting sick because of that exposure.
IBC 15's Patrick Hayes shows us how a new law could help vets get the care they deserve. It is all new.
I had some respiratory issues, and I thought it was asthmatic.
Army veteran Patrick Zeger knows what it's like using burn pits and the problems they can cause.
They seemed to dissipate over time, but for the first few years, it was like I was a heavy smoker that had asthmatic symptoms, couldn't breathe, couldn't catch my breath, wasn't really able to do the physical exercises that we had to for the Army.
For years, veterans have been reporting health issues after being exposed to burn pits overseas. Now, a new bill, if approved, would expand VA benefits to those who served after 9/11.
Now, nearly 1/3 of all post-9/11 combat veterans have been exposed to these toxic substances, and they can't get access to VA care.
The Health Care for Veterans Burn Pit Act includes expanding the amount of time a former service member can apply for care. It would also require the VA to do a toxic exposure screening during medical visits. Lawmakers are also calling for an outreach program and more training. Here in Arizona, more than 6,700 veterans have filed paperwork with the VA documenting their exposure to hazards like burn pits. According to Arizona Senator Sinema, the bill has bipartisan support and is likely to pass.
Well, we know in Arizona, veterans have long had a troubled history with the VA. Now, what most veterans say is once they get into the VA and have a doctor they trust, they get good care. But it's been so hard to get in and get access to that care. And that's exactly what our bill addresses.
I like the fact that people are bringing awareness to this issue.
For Zeger, he just wants veterans to get the care they deserve.
It's a pretty simple issue with a lot of complicated symptoms that come with it.
In Phoenix, Patrick Hayes, ABC 15, Arizona.